What's going on, my people? It's your Gbody and welcome back. You already know what time it is, man. Hey, y'all saw the last vid, man. We finally got the Malibu moving. I'm super stoked about that, man. I do have to apologize to y'all because there was some lost footage. You know what I mean? I had all kind of footage on the end I was gonna add to it, but I don't know what happened to it. Maybe something happened with my computer. Maybe it didn't transfer from my, but it don't matter. We're gonna keep on pushing. We're gonna keep on pushing. You already know what time it is. So today, finna head back out to the paint shop. B is waiting on several pieces of trim and this, that, and the third for the Malibu. So I'm gonna go and get that over to him so we can finish that up. From my understanding, he may be painting it today. He was doing a lot of, extra sanding on it yesterday to try to get it also right. You already know what time it is. You know we gotta come out, and when we come out, it's gonna be stupid clean. It's gonna be just like the Malibu, not the Malibu, what do you call it? The Monte Carlo. I'm tripping, man. Gbody, you already know. You already know. But anyways, so we're gonna get that stuff over there to him, man. I will have to tell y'all, man, getting these trim, getting that extra trim pieces for this 79, yo, it's a pain in the ass. A lot of the stuff that they making for these cars now, they don't make correctly, from my understanding. And then there's a lot of pieces that they just not making at all, especially when it comes to the trim, the back glass. I found out the back glass is like one of them things they stopped making, and I had to go through hell just to get it. I actually bought a rear window from some dude in Ohio. You know what I mean? Paid a muck for it. The trim for the back glass went through different channels. I ended up getting it finally through eBay. Paid a muck for it. I mean, a muck just for trim. I'm talking about 3-4 little pieces, probably weigh 8 pounds total. But it is what it is, Side mirrors, not side mirrors, what do you call it? The side glass, the quarter panel glass. Couldn't find certain pieces, so we got to get unique there on that. But it's just a lot happening, and we're gonna go ahead and take y'all for that ride. I ain't gonna even hold you any longer. But before we get started, you already know what you gotta do for your boy. You gotta like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Definitely smash that notification bell. Smash it, smash it, smash it. That way you can stay alert to all the new drops that are coming. You dig? Alright, man, so let's go ahead and get it cracking. Get it cracking. Bust up out here real quick. Work. Put in that work, gotta keep that momentum going, man. Trust me, I know I ain't been posting a lot of vids, man, but I've definitely been moving some stuff, especially with this Malibu. I can't even hold you. It's kicking ass, but it's coming along, man. It's coming along, and I'm sure y'all gonna like the progress that is being made right now with the Malibu. Like, it's already been primed, sanded down a couple times. From my understanding, I think B was gonna re-prime it yesterday. I don't know, but he making moves. You did. So we're gonna go ahead and get up this road, man, and I'm gonna touch back in with y'all as soon as I touch down. Where my doors be? Alright, trying to figure out this trim. So this is some of the trim I had to go hunting for. So it does work. So B is gonna open up this back trim. Let's see. This is like the side. Nope, one of the bottoms. And so we're gonna see. Let's see real quick. So stay tuned. It's coming along. Got parts ready to go. What's this? This is a filler panel for the tag between the lights, the tail lights. That's that back panel. Trunk. Mirrors. Header panel. Everything looking good. Bumpers. I mean, it works. Trunk, doors, in the situation. Yeah. Better believe it. It's going down. It's going down. peoples. All right, man, so as you saw, my man is definitely doing his thing on the Malibu. It's all broken down. Like, he blew the whole thing apart. The only thing he hasn't taken off of the car was the front hood, and that's only because he's trying to get that fiberglass on it, you know what I mean, damn near perfect, you know what I mean. Like, my boy, he got that, what do you call it, I can't really say OCD, let's say he take pride in his work, you know what I mean. He wanted to be sharp, he wanted to be clean, man, and that's why he on the team, you dig, you know what I mean. I never get nobody else to paint my car, any of my cars, but B, you did. So I'm grinning from ear to ear right now, y'all. I can't even hold you. It's cloudy outside too, but I can't even hold you. It's like we one step closer to having this thing like done, you know what I mean. And it ain't gonna take B forever to paint it. I can tell you that much. So by the time we come back, by the time we should come back to the next video, we should probably have everything painted, probably putting it back together. All the trim and everything fits. Like I said, it took me forever to find the right trim. I'm in the process of trying to get a refund on just some window trim for that back window trim with a whole nother company that I had to send back. So hopefully I can get that refund on that ASAP. But I had to go right back out and buy window trim again. So for the 2-door Malibu, you definitely got to get 2-door Malibu trim. You can't get a 4-door Malibu trim because they too short, and that was the issue I ran into. You did. Let's see what else. And as you can see as you saw in the video, we're trying to make sure we got all the, or did I put it in the video? I don't know if I put it in the video, y'all, I could be lying. But another issue I ran into was the drip rails. Hard time finding them drip rails, man. Lucky enough, or I was lucky enough, you know what I mean, to find somebody that was parting out a Malibu 2-door, and I ended up getting the window trim or the drip rails off of that. Granted, it cost me them up again, you did, but when you're digging in this game, you're gonna spend some money. So with that being said, man, we're gonna go ahead and move it along. I do want to show y'all the grill. The grill came in to the car. So as soon as we get back to the crib, which we finna pull up shortly, as soon as we get back to the crib, I'm gonna bust that grill out. The new grill looks really good. Thinking about having it painted or powder coated black. So we're gonna see what's to that, you did. So anyways, as soon as I get back to the crib, man, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all see that. And then I just got another notification that all the seals to the car, the door seals, all the weather stripping to the car just dropped. So that package just dropped, you did. So almost gonna pull up, and I'm gonna come right back with y'all, you did. So stay tuned. That way. And we back, man. Woo! The car's looking so good, man. Look, I'm telling you, grinning from ear to ear. My man gonna get that going, and I already know it's gonna be fire. But we back at the crib, like I said, and we had some packs that dropped. I'm gonna go ahead and show you that. So this should be the grill, which I already went ahead and opened up the grill. But got the grill, and I think the other pack are the seals, the weather stripping for the Malibu. So like I said, man, we're going all the way in, man. We're gonna get this thing back in order, man. Trashy to classy. So anyways, that grill though. Ooh, we gonna get this out, y'all. We gonna get this out. Crazy enough, I ordered this grill through JX, and sure enough, it came within 2 days, and it looks really good. The price on this grill was about 50-something bucks, if I'm not mistaken. And it looks good. Oh. Yeah. So you can see it got the black inserts and it's chrome all the way around. I think we're gonna go ahead and mat this all the way out. I'm not a real big fan of chrome, so we're gonna go ahead and black it out. I'm not sure if we're gonna make it a shiny black around the rim and matte black on the inside, or just completely matte black, which I think we might just do completely matte black. Yeah, I might even leave these little square chrome inserts. That might be kind of dope. So we're gonna see about that, man. Let's see what's up with this other pack. Let's see what's up with this other pack. Oh yeah, definitely the seals. It's on the door. This looks like the trunk seal. So that means the other one's a door seal. Yeah, door. So we got the door seals, the 2 door seals, and the trunk seal. Oh, you know what? The 2 door seals is in this one. This is gonna be the upper half of the door seals around that what do you call it? The hood, and then the trunk. So we're gonna be sealed off nice and tight. No water leakage around here. You already know what time it is, man. So just like we did with the map, just like we did with the Monte Carlo, we're gonna get all this on and we're gonna keep it pushing, you dig? So without further ado, man, I'm gonna go and wrap this video up. When I come back to y'all, man, hopefully, man, I'm gonna be showing y'all, you know what I'm saying, a little bit of that paint work that's gonna be done to that thing. So he gonna hit me up as soon as they get done, and I'm gonna come back with you, you dig? So until then, man, y'all stay tuned. Holla at your boy.